Do street photographers actually make money? It's a question that comes up often. You see street photographers everywhere, capturing candid moments, but how do they turn that into income? Today, we're going to explore 25 different ways street photographers can make money. Whether you're just starting out or you're already out there taking photos, these tips can help you build a career in street photography. Let's dive into the details. One of the most straightforward ways to make money is selling prints of your work. Many street photographers upload their best shots to platforms like Etsy or their own websites. You can sell prints directly to people who want to decorate their homes or offices with unique photography. Offering limited editions or signing your work can increase the value. High-quality paper and professional printing are key to making your prints stand out. Another way to earn money is by offering photography workshops. People love learning photography, and you can teach them the basics or even advanced techniques in street photography. Workshops can be online or in person, depending on what works best for you. You can make money by sharing your skills and helping others develop their passion for photography. If you want to earn passively, stock photography websites are a great option. Sites like Shutterstock or Adobe Stock allow photographers to upload images, and businesses can pay to use them. Street photography is perfect for this because it captures real-life moments that companies often want for advertising or editorial content. Over time, the more images you upload, the more chances you have of earning. Creating a photography blog or YouTube channel is another excellent way to make money. By sharing your knowledge about street photography, you can attract a loyal following. Blogs can earn money through ads, sponsored posts, and affiliate marketing, while YouTube channels can bring in income from ads and brand partnerships. Plus, this allows you to build your personal brand and showcase your work. Speaking of brands, you can also work with companies for sponsored content. Many brands are looking for photographers to create unique content for their marketing campaigns. If your street photography has a specific style or flair, you might be able to partner with brands that align with your vision. Another option is to license your photos. This means you allow businesses, websites, or magazines to use your images for a fee. Licensing can provide a steady income, especially if your photos are picked up by large companies needing high-quality urban shots. Participating in art shows or exhibitions is a great way to showcase your work to potential buyers. Street photography often resonates with people because it captures everyday life in a creative way. By showing your work in galleries or local art fairs, you can sell prints or even connect with collectors who want to buy original pieces. For something more local, you can collaborate with small businesses in your area. Local shops, coffee houses, and boutiques often need unique creative photos to showcase their products or atmosphere. Your street photography could be exactly what they're looking for, and you'll get paid for helping them stand out. Another creative income stream is creating photography zines or books. A zine is a small booklet featuring your work, and street photography zines can be a hit among photography lovers. You can sell these at art fairs or online, giving people a physical copy of your work to enjoy. You can also become a social media content creator. Building a following on platforms like Instagram or TikTok by showcasing your street photography can lead to paid opportunities. Brands love working with photographers who have strong social media presences, and they'll pay for promotional posts. Selling Lightroom presets or editing tutorials is another way to monetize your street photography. If you have a unique editing style, other photographers might want to use your presets to achieve similar results. You can sell these online as digital downloads. If you're into journalism, you can sell images to newspapers or magazines. Street photography often captures the essence of a city or event, which is what many publications are looking for. You can pitch your work to editors and get paid for contributing to their stories. Crowdfunding platforms like Patreon are perfect if you have a loyal fan base. You can crowdfund your photography projects by offering exclusive content to supporters. This can be anything from behind-the-scenes shots to early access to your newest photos. People are often willing to support artists they admire. Hey, real quick, if you're finding these tips helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, Photo Tech Guy, and share this video. Your support helps us bring more useful guides like this to you. Now, let's get back to the video. Oh, before I forget, check out the links in the description for amazing cameras and more. Now, really, back to the video. Street photographers can also expand their skills into other fields. For example, you could offer freelance services for event photography. Events like concerts or festivals often require photographers who are skilled at capturing spontaneous moments, and street photographers are great at this. Another idea is to partner with travel agencies. Street photographers are experts at capturing the spirit of a place, and travel agencies might need your skills to promote destinations. You can work with them to create stunning visuals that showcase a city or region. Street photography can also turn into fine art photography. By transitioning your work into the fine art world, you open up the possibility of selling pieces as high-value art to collectors. This is more niche, but if you build a name for yourself, it can be incredibly lucrative. If you love interacting with people, you might consider hosting photography tours. These tours allow you to take small groups of people on walks around your city, teaching them how to capture unique street photos along the way. It's a fun and engaging way to share your passion. Another fun option is to sell photography merchandise. You can turn your best street photos into items like mugs, t-shirts, or phone cases. Online platforms like Redbubble make it easy to upload your designs and start earning from merchandise sales. You can also pitch your work to commercial clients. Urban and street photography is often used in advertising, and brands might be interested in using your images for their campaigns. Approach businesses with a portfolio and show them how your work fits their brand's needs. If you're tech-savvy, consider using social media ads to promote your photography services or products. Platforms like Facebook and Instagram allow you to run targeted ads, driving traffic to your website or online store. Joining street photography contests is another way to make money. Some contests offer cash prizes, and winning can also lead to recognition, which may help with future opportunities. You can also work as a freelance photojournalist. If you enjoy telling stories through your images, freelance photojournalism can be rewarding. Publications are always looking for strong visuals to accompany their stories. Platforms like Fine Art America or Saatchi Art allow you to join photography marketplaces. These sites handle the printing and shipping, allowing you to focus on taking more photos. Your work gets exposure to a large audience, and you earn money for every sale. You can also sell digital downloads of your photos. This allows people to purchase high-resolution files and print them themselves. It's a low-maintenance way to sell your work, and once you upload your images, they can be sold over and over again. Finally, create photography NFTs. NFTs, or non-fungible tokens, are a new way for photographers to sell digital assets. By turning your street photography into NFTs, you can sell unique versions of your work on platforms like OpenSea. All these tips can help you turn street photography into a profitable career. Some require more time, while others can start earning you money right away. The key is to diversify your income streams and find what works best for your style and goals. You don't have to rely on just one method. Mix and match to create a steady flow of income from your passion.